severe thunderstorm warning for central Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northern York County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Shelby, or 5 miles northeast of Patterson Springs, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Uptown Charlotte, Huntersville, Central Charlotte, South Charlotte, Northeast Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, East Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, and West Concord. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Cleveland, Gaston, Lincoln, and Mecklenburg, and the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee and York.
Texas, all the way to the East Coast, but in this enhanced area is where I expect the possibility for again more